Good morning, guys. The pigeon guy here. Yo, been a long while since I've been on YouTube, guys. But thank you guys for always being there and yeah, supporting my channel. And thank you guys for the subscribers. And yeah, but let's see the birds. This is all cocks at the moment. I'm gonna throw the hens in here, guys, soon. But like yeah, just waiting for them to molt, finish. And then yeah, I cleaned the loft yesterday. Moulting right, guys. But yeah, guys, it's just a short update from my side. Hope you're all well, and yeah, peace, guys.